Macharia, I wish the Vice Chair, Mrs. Macharia, a Happy New Year, and thank you for being with us all this time. Alongside the same thanks, I want to thank our Managing Director, Mr. Oshiro Aroro, for supporting us and giving us an opportunity to usher the new year in style. Thank you very much. God bless you. All the directors of Royal Media Services, we wish you a Happy New Year, and we thank you for the support that has continued to see Royal Media lead in its production and broadcast to being the first in the region in East Africa. I want to thank the staff of Royal Media Services who have actually made us remain in this position of the most watched television stations and the most listened to radio stations. Let's give them a big clap. Thank you. And as we appreciate the Royal Media Services fraternity, I want to take this opportunity to thank our clients, the people who have put us in business throughout 2025 and whom I believe we are entering into 2026 to do business together. Royal Media Services is not just giving airtime. We are giving solutions to businesses. And we welcome you in 2026 to stay with us on our radio stations and also television stations to make sure that we solve the problems that need marketing and sales to improve your business. The opportunities are enormous. We have our digital platform which is growing from strength to strength. Citizen Digital has space for your business and is also offering you the best entertainment on our digital platforms globally. And finally, I take this opportunity to thank all those who made it possible to have VUCA Mwaka 2025-2026. Indeed, that includes you and me, the cameramen, the people in the controls, and everyone out there in our transmission stations. We appreciate you. Thank you. May 2026 be the most prosperous year and the year of breakthroughs and great things in our lives. God bless you all for honoring this evening to be in our studios. It's been sweat out, real sweat out. We appreciate you guys. Thank you. God bless you. Asante.